In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate approvals with Asana rules. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple but powerful rule that automatically reacts whenever the approval status of a task changes, helping you keep your projects clean and up to date without manual effort. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and looking at your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the panel that contains all your navigation, including a section called Projects. Under this section is the list of projects you have access to. Find the project where you want approvals to be automated and click to open it. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the main view for that project, whether that's a list, board, or another layout. Now that the project is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a panel or drawer will slide out from the right side of the screen. This is where you can configure things like fields, forms, and most importantly for us, rules. In this drawer, look for the Rules section and click on it. Then select the option to add a new rule. Asana may offer you the choice to generate a rule using AI or to build one from scratch. For this tutorial, choose the option to start from scratch so you can fully control the setup. You'll now be in the rule editor, where you'll see three main sections: when, check if, and do this. For a straightforward approval automation, you only need the when and do this sections, so you can remove or ignore the check if part for now. Let's start with the trigger. Click on the when field, and you'll see another drawer open on the right with a list of possible triggers. Use the search bar and type in approval. From the results, choose the option that says approval status is changed. This tells Asana to watch for any change in the approval status of a task in this project. Next, set up what happens when that trigger fires. Click on the Do This field. Again, a drawer on the right will show you different actions you can take. These might include updating fields, reassigning tasks, or changing where the task lives. As an example, you could choose Remove Task from Project so that when a task's approval status changes, it's automatically removed from this project. Pick the action that best matches your workflow. Once you're happy with your trigger and action, take a quick moment to review everything. When it looks correct, go to the top right of the rule editor and click Publish Rule. Asana will save and activate it, and from now on, anytime the approval status changes in this project, your new rule will run automatically.